Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will start immediately by connecting a second controller and signing it into an Xbox profile or guest. Once done, launch Fall Guys and let the first account be party leader. Make sure both controllers are paired and responsive. A quick button test verifies that. Then, from the main lobby, press the prompt on the second controller to join the session. This step attaches the player locally and prepares both players to enter the same party for the next match. You now set up the party and in-game options. Once the second controller joins, the party leader chooses matchmaking settings and confirms crossplay if required. This ensures compatible lobbies. Make sure both players select their characters and costumes so cosmetics load correctly. After selections, instruct the second player to hit ready while you monitor matchmaking cues. If you want private matches, choose a custom lobby. Otherwise, queue normally, and wait for the title to load both local players into the same instance. You complete setup by starting the match and verifying split screen appears with both player views visible. Once the round loads, check controls and make minor display adjustments if one view is cropped. If the second player fails to join, first try repairing that controller and signing the profile out and back in. If that fails, power cycle the console and relaunch Fall Guys to clear temporary sync issues. Finally, confirm the game is updated, and both controllers use fresh batteries or charge to prevent disconnects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.